What does tshuva mean? Returning to your original state. It's called tam, simple. Tamimut, innocent. Like a child. You want to know an amazing thing? If you ever spend time with children, in general, obviously you know there's special situations, circumstances at home, but in general, children are incredibly happy. I want to tell you a very deep psychological insight, which you're going to see is rooted in the deepest spiritual insight. Why are they so happy? Because they have no concept of self. They have no shame. They have no self-awareness. And as a result of that one thing, they're always happy. Always. Even if they cry because something happens, they don't get what they want. Even if they don't sleep all night. But the next day, they're happy. They're always happy. Why? Because they have no concept of self as separate. A separate self. They have no concept of self. They just go do what they want to do. And they ask for what they want to ask for. That's called tamimut. To be simple.
לא ינום ולא יישן